I need not to get any more lip filler. Oh my god. I feel like Mrs. Potato Head or something. Ah! I want to call my mom and prank her. Filler. Oh my god, hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing some TikTok beauty hacks on our face. I did this video a few months ago and you guys seem to really like it, so I wanted to do another one. Plus, I don't know if they're taking TikTok away, so I wanted to get as many beauty hacks from there as I could. My first TikTok hacks video, I found some beauty hacks that I absolutely loved, like the liner on the lash line. So I'm like, okay, let's try this again before TikTok is gone. And by the way, you guys, can you just appreciate the amount of fall that is coming through your screen right now? Before we get into these crazy beauty hacks, I want to announce this week's Dom Fam Mystery Box winner, and that is Samantha Reyes, this beauty right here. And everything inside this box that I'm giving you is something personal. Not all of it's always beauty, but some of it is. Sometimes it's food. You'll see what she got in my stories. I just posted it right now, so head to my stories to see what Samantha got. You'll have a chance to win one of these guys every week. All you have to do to enter is just comment your Instagram handle below with Dom Fam Mystery Box, and bam, you might be the next Dom Fam Mystery Box winner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom Fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. Oh my god, I have so much fun doing these videos. I always learn something new every single time. I am dehydrated in this heat, trying to make fall happen with this sweater. It's exhausting, really. I'm joking, but I am really hot. Okay, so the first TikTok beauty hack we're gonna get into is the eyelashes. I left my eyelashes bare just for this, and I actually have two different lash hacks that I was like,
I can't pick one, I have to do one on each side.
So the first one I'm gonna do involves a blow dryer. Warning, do not try this at home. I will try it for you, so you don't have to. I'm nervous. Like, honestly, I'm a little nervous about this one. I'm kind of scared. All right, she is using the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm gonna use the same one. And she's applying it and then blow drying her lashes up, and they look so good. Like, they look like she took a lash curler to her lashes, and she did not. So we're gonna try Miranda's TikTok, and okay, here we go. So I have mine, and let's do this. Let's see if this actually works. So she just applies the mascara. Have you guys noticed how absolutely beautiful these TikTokers are? Some of them I'm just like, where are you coming from? Like, what water are they drinking? Because I would like some. Honestly forgot about this mascara, and it's actually pretty good. My lashes are already lifted, but we're gonna turn this on. Oh my god. Ah, hold on. Oh my god, okay. Here we go, again. Maybe not so high. Pressing the pull button. It's going in my nose. How long? How long does she do this for? It doesn't say. Let's do it a little bit longer because I don't see anything happening. This is actually giving me anxiety. Drying my eyeball out like crazy. A little bit longer, a little bit more torture. Okay, that's good. Do you see a difference? Did she use the warm setting? Because I don't see a difference. Hold on, let me look in the mirror. Are my lashes more curled than what they were before I used a blow dryer? I wouldn't put yourself through that torture because I really don't see like a massive difference, because I feel like this mascara is already good. So maybe if I left it a little bit longer. But we're gonna go on to the second mascara hack. So it's all about technique. So this hack I think is from Mirabelle. And basically she's saying not to start at the root of the lash. You're gonna start backwards. So you're gonna start at the tip. Hold on, let's start from the beginning.
Mascara, if you already like it, you're gonna love it with this technique.
Okay.
I'm using Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Now what we're...
I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath mascara because this has a really beautiful wand, and I just feel like our wands are matching, sort of. This is supposed to be a really good mascara. So I'm gonna try this one.
What I'm gonna do is start at the roots and drag it all the way through our lashes. We're gonna do 3 coats, and what we're going to do is actually start on the very tips of the lashes. So we'll go to the side so you can see it a little better. That is going to be your first coat. So you just want to start like that. Second coat is going to be the middle part of the lashes, and you're definitely not going to touch the roots yet. The third coat gets out all of the clumps. So you're going to go all the way to the base of your lashes. I kind of close my eyes for this part like this and wiggle it up. So that third coat really combs out all of the clumps and also keeps your curl. This is how to make your lashes not fall completely flat. And that is how I make my lashes look amazing without falsies.
I feel like this mascara formula is maybe a little more heavier and wet, but I don't know if it'll completely change my mascara game. And this is one that I thought I would use again. I probably will try this with a different mascara because it's so easy to try. I honestly feel like this side is more lifted, and I think it's because it's the mascara. Okay, so this one's from Bellatina Makeup. Let's watch it. So you take tweezers, dip it back in, and then that is so cool. I hope mine works just as easy as hers does. It's pretty. Oh my god, it's so bad. Actually, it's really bad. I don't know if this is savable, but we're gonna try it. I have some tweezers right here. And do it. Oh my god. Look at all that ink. And then replace it. That is so cool. I still have bubbles. Oh my god, it actually works. I never knew you could do that to your liner. Like, that is crazy. I'm gonna say this one is approved. All right, so falsies. So the next hack is contouring the nose. I'm nervous because if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to redo my whole makeup in this area, and that's a process. So this hack is from the goddess herself, Nikki Tutorials. Let's see how she wants us to contour our nose.
All right, so you want to contour your nose without any failures? Let's go. First, you're gonna need your bronzer. Take the bronzer on a brush, and literally what you start doing is bronze your entire nose from tip.
Pop it on to the center of my nose. Oh no, I might have went too in.
All the way to the bridge. It's gonna look like a mess right now, but trust me, we will pull through.
Okay, well, let's see what the next part is.
You take your face powder.
Take a face powder.
And a dry beauty blender.
A dry beauty blender? Oh, I have one.
Match the sides. The more you bring this in, the smaller your nose is gonna look. So we're gonna make this as big as you like. Like literally, look how small that looks already. Don't forget the bridge. I'm gonna make that nice and light as well. Boom!
The bridge.
Take a big face brush. Oh my god, English, what even is it?
Big face brush.
And start buffing all of this out until it's soft. Some highlighter to just the tip and the...
In glossed peach. Yes, that's perfect. And add it to the bridge and the nose. This actually turned out really good. Like, that was easy. My nose looks tiny. So of course the Nikki hack worked. Okay, so this one, she's grabbing a damp beauty sponge and a highlight. And then she's just putting the beauty sponge in the highlight on her cheeks. It looks really, really vibrant. I'm gonna choose a highlight that's not as bam and see if this actually works on it. So this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This guy it's baked, so it's supposed to be a lot softer. So this is a very soft highlight. Let's see if we can make it more blinding. I'm gonna take this face mist and just make it even more damp, and then you just glide it in there. Poor highlight. Okay, so let's see if this works. Oh, it's working. It's just like a little bit more than what you would normally get, because you see this, you don't get that much of a glow. If I were to let me wet my finger, press it in there. Oh, girl, that is a glow. So it does work. I like how it looks though. It looks very like natural, glowing from within. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side, because this hack actually works. This one is a good one. Okay, so this next one is turn any eyeshadow into a lip balm. So I'm taking a clear gloss. I'm gonna take Hello Salem, because that would be a really pretty nude color. So I'm gonna mix it in there. Ooh, that's actually such a pretty color. Yes, oh my god, all I need is some liner. Oh yeah, I love that. I'm gonna take some liner just so I can have some definition around the lips. I'm gonna use the Crush lip liner from Dominique and just get some dimension. Ooh, I'm gonna do this again. It looks really good and it definitely works. This next hack I should have done before this one. I'm scared it's gonna get everywhere, so I'm just gonna take this off, which I'm really sad about because it was really pretty. This is another one you don't want to try at home. That's why you have me, your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, to try these crazy weird things that nobody else will try. Taking a lash glue. She makes it look so easy. So I'm gonna take my lash glue. This is one from Velour that I like. We're gonna try it. Here we go. So she just takes some on the top of her lip. Oh, this feels so weird. In the bottom. Okay, and then you let it dry a little bit so it can get tacky. I think it's ready. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. I'll do it at the same time. Oh my god, I feel it sticking. Can you see what's going on here? I release it. Oh no, it's coming apart. Oh my god. I feel like Mrs. Potato Head or something. It's not staying. Maybe I need more lash glue. All right, here we go. I look insane right now. Ooh, luscious. That actually doesn't look bad. That does not look bad. I'm gonna try to put some lipstick on it and see if it looks natural. If it will stay. It doesn't feel like it's gonna stay because it's my skin and it's like heavy. I already kind of have nice full lip filler in there, so from like 3 years ago or like a year ago. So let's try. Ooh, this is like Bratz doll vibes. Remind me not to get any more lip filler. I want to call my mom and prank her that I got too much lip filler. Oh my god, hold on.
Hello.
Hi mom.
What are you doing?
I just got lip filler today.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
I couldn't keep it. Dang it.
Huh?
I was trying to trick you. It was lash glue.
I was about to say, oh my gosh. I really didn't hear you.
But your reaction. Mom, I just wanted to see your reaction. We got my mom, you guys. She was like, you should have seen her eyes. Oh, I wish I would have recorded it. I should have recorded it. But all the lipstick is inside my lip because that's what was making my lips look big. Okay, this is a good prank. Don't take this guy seriously. I mean, if you do, take pictures and then let it go. If it doesn't look ridiculous, but for me, it looks really crazy. That was really fun pranking my mom, you guys. I'm gonna try to get all this lipstick off of me and then we're gonna move on to the next prank. I mean, beauty hack. The next and final beauty hack is faux freckles, and I always feel like I have trouble finding a hack for this because it never works. I feel very confident in this. I actually have that one in my concealer shade. I don't have it in a darker shade, but this looks very promising. So I have a darker shade of concealer. Let's try to make these little dots on my thumb, which looks so easy. Tiny little dots. Okay, that was a big dot. But we're gonna try to put as many dots as we can on our thumb. And that is a dot. And that is a dot. Ooh, that was a big one. So we got some dots. Wait a minute. Oh, she got like a dotting tool. But we're gonna, ooh. I'm gonna try it with her thumb, like a stamp. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Hold on. If they were smaller, I wouldn't be too mad at it. But again, I just realized she used like a dotting tool. Okay, so I grabbed a lip brush. I feel like this will work better. I like that it was really quick. Like you don't have to sit there and dot it on. But I already have a lot of dots. So I'm gonna try my finger. I'm just gonna put little dots on my finger. Okay, so I have the dots on my finger. Let's see how it works. Here. It works. Girl. I have a new technique. This really works. I mean, it's crazy, but it works. Put more on this side. Ooh. Okay, my dots here are a little bit too big. Let's just be real with ourselves. But she then used a damp beauty sponge and just press on top of them. I feel like my nose might look a little bit more realistic, but this would definitely work if you did the right dot size. This looks like a giraffe or something, I don't know. It doesn't look good because I didn't do the right size. Okay, look, if I did it right, it would have looked really good. You agree, right? It looked good. Honestly, this is approved. This is going to work if you do it right. So you guys have to try this one. I am going to link everything that I have on my face just in case you guys are wondering, what is this lip? What are your lashes, your brows? Everything is gonna be listed below, so don't worry. And that's it. This was the end of the video. I think we found some pretty good hacks. Like, there's a couple hacks in here that are about to be a game changer. It's gonna save me a lot of time and creativity. Now I wanna do something with freckles as like a Halloween look. If you guys have any Halloween ideas for me, please list them below. I am open to hear all your Halloween ideas. I love Halloween. I haven't done it in a while, but when I do it really big. So make sure to list them below. I want to hear your guys' suggestions, and I think this was a successful hack video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming these beauty hacks. They were crazy, some of them better than others. And let me know below which one of these beauty hacks do you think you'll actually use in your real life. Like, which one did you think was interesting? That's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check these 2 videos out if you missed them. If you haven't seen them, please give her some love. And as always, before you go, I'm gonna give you a motivational note, and that is to keep an open heart and an open mind for this week. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and being part of my Dom fam, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.